You know what? Let's try. You don't have to smooth every line. Maybe we can leave the eyes unsmooth, and so let me select all of this and delete it. Oops. I think it deleted the photo too. Where'd the photo go? So, oh, the photo's gone. Oh no, there it is. Okay, so we're going to try it again. This time, we are not going to smooth out the eyes so that it's so there's more detail. So I'm going to go to Path, Trace Bitmap, and let's move this to the left, to the, let's see, like that. I don't think that the preview helps very much, does it? So again, you have to click on the image, and with the 5 colors. Okay, and then I'm going to click on Apply, and now we have a little bit of detail on the eyes. It's interesting. You know what? Let's undo that. Let's try 6 colors. And okay. And apply. Well, that didn't help very much. Undo. Let's do 5 colors. And apply. Okay, so then when you're smoothing it out, let's just do right click, ungroup, and you can be selective on what you want to smooth out. Like for example, we can decide that we don't want to smooth this. This layer's already smooth actually. So you can select all of the other colors and control click on the black. I think that's what we selected. Hopefully that the black is not selected. And we can go to Path, Simplify. Wow, it actually simplified that one that I didn't want him to simplify. I think I probably selected the wrong one. Where'd it go? Undo. I thought I clicked on this one. That's the black one. Okay, let's move it out of the way. The trick is to line it up again. That's the trick. See, if you move something out, then you have to line it up again. So I got to go Path, Simplify, and now the good thing is it's got a corner, so I can just put it right on the corner, like that. And we simplified all the other stuff. And again, to smooth some stuff out, like let's get rid of this. Use the edit path, and let me see. Can I? Oh yeah, I can grab all, select all, and hit the delete. Select all the, because we only want fewer colors. You know, I was gonna say we can have only 2 colors, but 4 is fine, I guess. I was trying to go with the propaganda style poster, which is just basically just black and red. That's it, just 2 colors, and white is the paper. Now you can actually just smooth some of the stuff. You don't want to delete because you don't want to get too much of the detail gone. Like just some of the detail, you want to smooth it out. You want to make it look like that Obama poster. Oops, that's too much. Undo that. Leave it the way it is. So, and again, you can put some detail back. Like let's say like I was saying, the eyebrow here, we want to like delete this and delete this. I think the points are so big I can't see what I'm doing. And then just pull some of these anchor points back in here to make it one smooth. I can delete that. Try to make it a smooth eyebrow. Make it like that. So you can add some detail that you might have accidentally deleted, like that. Maybe smooth some of these things out. Let's see. You have to zoom in because the anchor points. Also, I think that you can just change the setting on your anchor points, how big the display. I think I might have had it big because I get annoyed at tiny little anchor points like that. And this is the white part of his eye, so maybe we need to add another extra point there to maybe add another extra point. You just double click, and it adds another anchor point like that, and that's the white part of his eye. And or you can create a new shape. Ooh, what is that? Okay, so here's the shape that I drew, and it turns out that the stroke is huge. So if you go to the colors and you go to stroke style, you see that it's 72. If I make it smaller, so let's say I make it 2. See how the stroke is just the outline. That's what the stroke is. The outline of this thing was just too big. And but what we want to do is get rid of the stroke. So click on X, no stroke. But we want to go to the fill, click on the fill and give it a fill color. And the fill color should be the same one that whatever this is, right? And but my shape, it doesn't look like it's very smooth, so you're gonna need to smooth it out a little bit. So I'm gonna maybe select all the points and add a curve. That's too much. So there, smooth it out a little bit. Maybe add a curve here or there. Well, so this is like adding shapes to the design and the detail. So, and we need to get rid of some of these little speckles. And the way to get rid of these speckles, we already tried smoothing, so the only other way is to select them and delete them with this tool, the edit path. Select, delete, select, delete, select, delete, select, delete, and low. There. And we can smooth out this other one, like for example, you know what, this brown looks like, yeah. So you can try to delete some of these curves. There's a lot of points there. And then just bring some of these anchor points like this. You can also overlap them. Get so many anchor points, you can delete some of these anchor points. And then try to overlap that, and that's how we smooth that out. You can smooth that out here, make that into an anchor point there. So you have like an anchor point in between, and then you can take and get rid of some of these extra ones. But you got to have something to an anchor point anchored at the area that you want. Like I want nothing to, from this point down. I want it to be smooth, and then I can delete these extra ones. I think I might have deleted the wrong one. Yeah, gotta be careful not to delete. You can always add if you accidentally delete, or you can just and the way to do it is just double click on an edge, and it adds an anchor point. Hold the space bar and left click to drag. Let's see, I try to delete these. See, I can smooth it out, and so I kind of smooth this out a little bit. And again, you're just going to select these extra ones and delete them. Let's just delete all these there, just to smooth out the hair like that. Okay, get rid of anything that like that. And so anyway, and then to change the color, you know how the Obama poster, you can make it let's see, it's black. You know, you can make black like a dark blue, and some of these colors were in the poster, it was supposed to be red, white, and blue. You can make it like maroon. You can make this like red. And the paper is supposed to be white, but you know, when it gets old, it kind of gets like a newsprint. You don't have to make it all the way white, like that. So that's how we change the colors, and that looks kind of too bright. This red. Let's see. Then it's too dark. You got to figure out. You know, you have to make the blue darker. Then it kind of gets lost. Maybe make this lighter. Let's see. Maybe make this darker. You just have to play with it until. And that's my, well, we need more cleanup work on the Vectorize photo, but we're getting there for trying to make it look like the Obama poster. Okay.